Take a deep breath and think about this. When was the last time you truly felt present in your life? Not rushing, not worrying, not comparing, just living. We live in a world where everyone seems to be in a hurry. Hurry to grow, hurry to earn, hurry to succeed. But somewhere in that rush, we have forgotten how to live. Today's topic is simple but powerful. Life is not a race, it's a journey. And the moment you understand this truth, you will start living differently, more calmly, more peacefully, and more gratefully. From childhood, we are told study fast, finish early, get a job quietly, earn more, and get settled. But no one tell us why the hurry, who are even racing against. When you see someone doing better than you start to run faster. But where are you running? Towards success or away from a peace? We rush to achieve so much that we miss the beauty of small things, the laughter of a friend, the smell of rain, the warmth of family, the peace of quiet night. We forget life is not about who finishes first. It's about how beautifully you walk through it. Everyone tell us to be successful. But what does success even mean? For some, it's money. For others, it's happiness, health, or freedom. Yet, we all chase one single version of success, the one society approved of. But hear the truth, there is no single timeline, no single path, no single definition of success. Some people find their purpose at 18, others find at 40. Some people get married early, some stay single and build dreams. You are not late, you are not behind. You are simply on your own chapter. And comparing chapter is unfair when everyone book is different. The more we rush, the less we live. We rush through morning without enjoying sunrise. We rush through meals while scrolling our phone. We rush through conversation because we don't have time. And one day, when we finally stop running, we realize that life has quietly passed away. People change, moments fade, dreams evolve, and we stand there wondering, what was I chasing? Happiness was never at the finish line, it was in the journey, in the small step, the little smile, the moment we ignore while trying to make it big. Let me tell you something powerful. Slow growth is still growth. A seed does not become a tree overnight. The moon does not shine full every night. And yet, we expect ourselves to transform instantly. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need to be fastest. You just need to keep moving one step at a time. Each small step, each small effort, each small victory is a part of your story. Stop measuring progress by speed. Start measuring it by consistency. If life is not a race, then how do we truly live it? Let's talk about that. First, be present. When you eat, taste your food. When you talk, truly listen. When you rest, actually rest. Presence turns ordinary moment into precious memories. Second is be grateful. Gratitude is the secret of peace. When you appreciate what you have, you stop chasing what you don't. Third, stop comparing. Someone will always have more, but that does not mean you have less. You have something they don't. Your journey. Fourth, celebrate progress, not perfection. You might not to be where you want to be, but you are closer than yesterday, and that matters. Fifth, spend time with real people, not screen. Talk to your parents, call a friend, watch the sunset, because in the end, life is about connection, not competition. If you ever feel stuck or lost, remember this. Even when you can't see progress, something is growing inside you. Patience, strength, or wisdom. You are becoming the person you were made to be, slowly, silently, beautifully. Life does not give you everything at once. It gives you lesson in stage, and each stage prepare you for the next. You are not failing, you are becoming. Think about the journey of life. We are born knowing nothing. We learn to walk, to love, and to forgive. Every heartbreak, every mistake, every success, every smile teaches us something. You don't need to rush the progress, you just need to trust it. The beauty of life is not a reaching the destination, it's in walking the path with awareness. So the next time you feel behind, pause and breathe and look around. You are not behind, you are simply becoming who you are meant to be. You are learning, you are growing, you are evolving. Remember, life is not a race to win, it's a journey to experience. Walk slowly, live deeply, and trust that you are exactly where you need to be.